How to install Lyft Driver app. So this is not a Lyft app. This is an app if you want to drive for Lyft. Similar as you have Uber app and Uber Driver, obviously. So yeah, this is where you can just start earning fast, earn some side money, and then, it just depends. You can maybe earn even some quite good money if you manage your way in this app. So you can see your pay upfront, earn fast, get paid quickly with options to cash out instantly, daily and weekly. Flexible, earn money on your schedule, get 24/7 support. Get started. So yeah, then you can just open it up, and then if you need the ride, of course, this is you need a separate passenger app. Otherwise, you can just get started. And then you can just create your account here with the country and select with your number.